Eric Noden coming to you from Chicago for Harmonica.com, and today I'm going to share a riff with you that uses bending, throat vibrato, and a little bit of basic chording. Everything I'm going to do is going to be on a C diatonic harmonica, so grab your C harp and let's jump right in. Here's what the riff is going to sound like. So this riff is going to start on a 4-draw note, and then we're going to take that down to a 4-draw bent note, and then back to a 4-draw. So we're going to play 3 notes just using one breath of air, and it's going to sound like this. Now if you're just getting into bending, a great way to practice your bends is to take that 4-draw note and see how long you can hold it once you bend it down to the 4-draw bent. So it'd sound like this. Try that with me. So that's the first part of our riff, and as you get used to that, you can speed it up. The second part of the riff is going to use the 4 and 5 draw, so we're going to open up a little wider to get those 2 notes together. And this is where I like to add in a little bit of throat vibrato. So to get the throat vibrato, we're going to be breathing in, but we're going to stagger our breath a little bit. So you go something like that. Try that on 4 and 5 draw. All right, so let's try those 2 parts together. So we'll start with the 4 draw. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Again, 4 draw. Again. And there's one last part of the riff, and that's a little chordal motif. So we're going to use 1, 2, and 3 holes to play a chord, and we're going to do a pattern there. We're going to go draw, blow, draw, draw, using the 1, 2, and 3 holes. Try that. Draw, blow, draw, draw. Draw, blow, draw, draw. All right, so that's all of it. Let's put the entire riff together. Take it from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. right, that's my riff for today. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Once again, I'm Eric Noden for Harmonica.com. I'll see you next time.